Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Sennheiser Ambeo Soundbar Mini and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this soundbar is not connecting to something, if it keeps disconnecting, if it's not pairing with your device, all of this kind of stuff can very often be fixed with this hard reset to the factory default settings. The second reason is if you want to set this soundbar up as a new soundbar on a new network or whatever with new devices, we can just clear everything else off of it so that we can set it up fresh new. Now, you can do this via the app, the Sennheiser Smart Control app, but given that you might want to do this because it's not responding or not connecting, you might need an alternative option, and that's where this comes in. You can do this via the actual soundbar. You will need a paper clip, and with power to the soundbar, you're just going to come in the back and find this reset button right here. This recess to reset button, and you'll just need to go in there with your paper clip and press and hold the button for 2 seconds at least, so like 2 to 3 seconds, and then release the button and give it a minute to do its reset, and it will reset just like as if you were resetting it via the app, at which point you can go ahead, delete it off whatever app if you are using that, and go ahead and set this up as a new device.